Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to upload UGC items in Roblox. Are you looking for a quick guide how to upload UGC items in Roblox? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Right, so what you need to understand is the UGC catalog applications opens and closes every few weeks to few months, depending on the time. And as you can see here, it is currently open. UGC catalog applications. So application guidelines, you need to be a good community member, submit creative and unique ideas, show your passion, follow basic UGC catalog program guidelines. And then once you apply, you can click on the link. So just go to devforum.roblox.com. You're going to see the UGC catalog application there. Yeah, so just apply here. So please submit your application through this link. So you go to that link. Service not currently active, as you can see, because I'm not part of the community. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.